Choosing between a gas and electric pressure washer surface cleaner depends on several factors, including the size of your project, mobility needs, and noise tolerance. Each has distinct advantages, making it important to understand their strengths and limitations before deciding which one to purchase. Gas-powered pressure washers are renowned for their high power output. With greater PSI, pounds per square inch, and GPM, gallons per minute, they deliver more intense water pressure, which is essential for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Whether you are cleaning large driveways, commercial properties, or stubborn stains, a gas-powered surface cleaner is the more efficient option. Its portability is another key advantage. As these units are not tethered to a power cord, they can be used in remote locations without access to electricity. However, gas-powered units come with trade-offs. They tend to be heavier, making them less maneuverable for smaller tasks. They also require regular maintenance, such as fueling and oil changes, which can be inconvenient and costly. Additionally, they are louder than electric models, which might be an issue in residential or noise-sensitive areas. In contrast, electric pressure washers are typically lighter and quieter, making them more user-friendly for residential projects. They are ideal for lighter cleaning jobs, such as washing patios, sidewalks, or vehicles. The ease of use is a major selling point for electric models. They require minimal maintenance and don't need fuel or oil changes. Additionally, electric surface cleaners are often more compact, making them easier to store and transport. On the downside, electric pressure washers usually have lower power output compared to their gas counterparts. This means they may not be suitable for tougher cleaning tasks or larger areas. The limited mobility of electric models, restricted by a power cord, can also be frustrating if you need to move around a large space. However, the lower cost and quieter operation make them perfect for homeowners who prioritize convenience and light to medium-duty cleaning. Ultimately, the decision between a gas and electric pressure washer surface cleaner hinges on your cleaning requirements. If you're tackling large, demanding jobs and need portability, a gas-powered model is the best option. On the other hand, if you prefer a quieter, easier to maintain unit for smaller tasks, an electric-powered surface cleaner will serve you well.